Okay, I wanted to talk about top of the head hair systems. We do several types, but right now we're going to talk about bonding. We do traditional bonding and we do long hair bonding, which is our brilliant bonding service. Long hair bonding does not mean you have to have long hair or that we are bonding long hair. It just means that we are adding beautiful alternative hair to your head without compromising your biological hair. But that's not what we're talking about today. We're going to talk about traditional bonding. Now, two of the types that we do lace. This is a lace hair system, all lengths, colors, textures. This is a lace hair system. Lace is the most popular that people know about, and lace offers a very breathable system. It's very light density. Lace hair systems do not have the big knots that you see on commercial wigs, right? Commercial wigs have those really big knots. Hair systems do not have that. So they do have a very natural growing out of your scalp look. A lace hair system can stay attached 4 to 6 weeks before you need maintenance, right? It is ventilated, but it is lace. Alternatively, we offer polyurethane. Now, polyurethane is like a second skin, pretty much. It is a material that is used if you have advanced hair loss, where we'll apply a polyurethane piece to an area that has almost complete loss or just a few strands that we have to remove, but in general, that's what a poly piece is for. A polyurethane piece can stay attached for as long as I've seen 2 to 3 months, right? And it does offer a very scalp-like appearance, and you don't have to worry about lace, but it does not have the ventilation that lace has, right? So those are two of the types of bonding systems that we have for traditional bonding, not long hair. And we also have combination systems, mono and poly and lace, or just poly and lace, or mono poly and lace, or just mono and poly. Those are combination systems. But again, it will depend on the type of hair loss you have. So we can have a piece made where you have poly in certain areas. You can have it designed however you want. Poly in certain areas, lace in certain areas, mono. And mono is like a super tight lace, kind of. It's not it's neither. It's in between poly and lace, right? So that's a combination system that we offer, and it has a very realistic scalp as well, right? So those are the options that you can have with a bonded hair system. We do bonded, and we also have men's systems, of course. We have a brand new men's system that is nice, super nice. But we do have that, and we also have 3-tier pricing with all of our systems. With our bonded systems and our non-bonded systems, we have 3-tier pricing for each service.